Oura Ring 4, Galaxy Ring competitor to launch late in October. The tapestry of the smart rings was adorned this year with one of the most formidable contenders from Samsung, the Galaxy Ring, a marvel of thoughtfully crafted wearable offering sensors that keep track of your health and are priced affordably. Although it has been battling tough competition with the Oura Ring Gen 3, the rivalry is about to get much more fierce with the impending launch of Oura Ring Gen 4. It was reported that the Oura Ring 4 is on the horizon, expected to launch in October with a thinner design and better battery life. These properties are the ones where the Galaxy Ring gives the Oura Ring 3 a tough time. However, the upcoming Oura Ring 4 will likely boast more accurate activity tracking. Termed Oura's biggest upgrade in years, the Oura Ring 4 might as well draw Samsung's prying eyes. Another factor which gives the Oura Ring 4 a slight upper hand over the Galaxy Ring is that Oura has been a well-acclaimed brand in the landscape of smart rings long before the latter's inception. Oura CEO Tom Hale said, "Samsung were aiming at where we were 2 years ago." This remark from a top Oura official indicates that the company has a potent Oura Ring 4 and isn't even slightly bothered by Samsung's presence in the ring market.